Kia ora mara koutou. Okay, so this is an advertisement for several things. One is Te Haere o Te Reo, and there will be the ISBN numbers for Te Haere o Te Reo, which has been a popular book for a long time. And then you've got NRL, which is a book out this year. Te Haere o Te Reo came out, I think, in 2008, 2009, and it is a grammar of Māori language, whereas NRL is a demonstration, I guess, of Māori language in the sense that it takes a number of articles from tekaharo.com and elsewhere, which are written paragraph by paragraph, a paragraph in English and a paragraph in Māori, usually the paragraph in Māori first and then the paragraph in English to follow, going over the same things and sometimes being an exact translation. Sometimes this is impossible, but making sure that the sense is carried on. So those are the two books. Also, there's a recent very long article in tekaharo.com, which will become a book. I'm not quite sure, not quite sure what sort of a book it'll be, but that's He Whakaaro mo Te Reo. And as I sit here making this advertisement here in November 2014, that is the basis for a submission I'm making on Te Mātāwai, and that is due on December the 5th, so that's actually just only next week, and I have to be applying myself to that. But the point I'm trying to make is that the He Whakaaro mo Te Reo does, I think, apply to the situation of Māori language in Aotearoa. So I guess that's three perspectives. One on, as I was just saying, the state of the Māori language in Aotearoa, or in the world really, because I'm trying to look quite far afield. The other is a grammar, Te Haere o Te Reo, and the other is a demonstration, which is NRL. Nō reira koutou mā, tēnā rawa te koutou, ka nui te kōtana, kau mākou e mihi ate ki a koutou katoa I tēnei wā.